I gotta pull forward and back into there. All right.
Or, well, actually, I was gonna say do this and then just do like.
This will work.
Yeah.
Will it work? I'm not gonna clear it, huh? Am I gonna clear this bench?
Yeah, you're good.
All right. If I might have Austin Powers myself here a little bit. Can this bench?
One more, you can back up further.
Can you spot me on the bench then?
One foot, and keep going, keep going. There.
Oh, I can see the stump now. All right, spot me as I turn it. I can't see the stump at all. Spot the stump, sorry. I can see the benches.
Spot the what?
Spot the stump.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay. Oh yeah, all's good in the hood.
Watch out for this rock here. I think you're good if you keep going forward a little bit. Yeah, you're good, you're good.
Hop in.
Back in the saddle again.
All right, and now I gotta go back out the way we came in here, huh?
Yep.
Somehow I don't remember that part. Like, just don't remember how I got out of here.
Always blur that part out. Just take a left. We can go down the stairs, you know?
Yeah. Oh, but I gotta do this again.
Oh, yeah. I'll get
yeah.
out. Unless you want to back up and take that other way.
Nope. Maybe I should, but... Hop in. These poor people are gonna be so confused, bro. Alright. Sweet.
Nice and slow.
Yeah.
Pardon us, folks, just loading in for the season.
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
Alright. this is the branch that I cut close to.
Yeah. Hey, just stay on the left side, we'll be good.
Yeah. Yeah, no, now it's easier.
Or I can get out and hold it up.
Nope.
We're
We'll
good.
clear it.
Nice.
That was the branch you got out and held up last time, though.
Yeah.
Or at least in this spot.
It looks like it split a little bit.
Yeah.
There's the screeching.
Oh man, I don't remember this tight spot. But I see our tire tracks, so clearly he did it. Alright. Great. It's a loud one. It doesn't take a big branch to be that loud, too.
Oh yeah.
All it has to do is break off and hit the box, yeah.
Right. Reverberate through the whole truck.
Yeah. At least this is the hard part done.
Yeah. That's alright.
Well, hard part almost done. Oh, this is going to be Scrape City.
Woo-wee. Back on the road.
Back on pavement, at least. We got this until the road. Alright.
You didn't stop at the stop sign.
Oh, boo-hoo.
And we're home free. Gun it! Hey, long time no see.
What shows you loading in?
No Bones About It, Derrieres, and Something in the Water. It's a new one this season.
And when do you start?
June 11th.
June 11th.
Oh,
And we go through, what, late August.
Yeah.
So.
Right.
Oh, there you
Right
go.
on, awesome. Have a great day, y'all.
Nice. That's definitely a branch we collected that I'm hearing clunking. Like, I even just want the side footage for myself, because how often do you get to drive a truck down those trails?
I know, right?
Or anything down those trails?
Did they fill in the holes here?
They sure
They
did.
did. Dang.
How long it'll last, who knows? It'll all settle.
One rain.
Yeah.
So what, Saturday?
Yeah, not even. By Saturday, it'll have been toast already.
I guess it depends on if they filled it in before or after that last huge storm that came through.
Right. Should I flip around?
Yeah, we should try and get the back facing the dressing
Yeah.
rooms.
Alright.
And then once we get everything unloaded and bring the box truck back, let's do all our cable pulls and then start unloading or unpacking everything.
Yeah. It's the plan to do as much of it as we can today, or what's
Pretty
what are we
much,
looking
yeah. I mean, if we don't get it all done today, we got tomorrow, we got the rest of the week.
at? Right.
We're chilling.
That should be about good.